Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for your furry little friend, especially if you have a cat, and that is because it is a really cool cat bed that you can attach to the side of your desk. So this was sent over by a company called Pawaboo, and as you can see, it's right here next to me. This thing is super easy to assemble. It's only gonna take you maybe about 5 minutes to put together. Now, one of the reasons I absolutely love this thing is it attaches to your desk, whether you have a sit-stand desk, whether you have just a regular desk, with a nice solid metal clamp. This thing is not going anywhere when you are attaching it. So give you an idea, the thickness of this clamp is going to allow you for 0.4 inches all the way up to 2.8 inches as far as the depth. So no matter how thick your desk is, it's going to be able to work. Now, as you can see, here is the bed itself right next to me. My cat absolutely loves this thing. Very, very soft. It's all made out of a polyester material. Absolutely great. Now, it is reversible. I don't really flip it out a ton just because I think my cat really likes the softness of it. But the other side of it is a nice breathable mesh. So this kind of concept is the mesh side is for the hotter months and the fuzzier side is for the winter months. But like I said, my cat loves it all year round. Now, to give you an idea of the bowl size here, because this is a hammock style. So when they sit in here, it's going to kind of sink down and they're going to kind of be able to curl up in here. The bowl size is about 15 and 3/4 inches in diameter. Now, another cool aspect of it is when you are not utilizing it, you simply can lift up on it and then it will fold down, so you can kind of tuck it away out of the way if you don't need to utilize it. And then if you want to put it back up, you go ahead and position it again. Now, this material is machine washable, so that is another aspect I love about it. You can simply toss it in to make sure it's nice and clean. I typically wash it on cold water and then tumble dry on low. That way, if it gets dirty or lots of cat hair over time, you can make sure it's all nice and clean. When it comes to flipping it over, there is a nice, easy to use zipper. Simply unzip it all and you can slide it right off. There is a metal support system all the way around it. Simply go ahead, it has 2 little push pins. You can pull this off and then remove it for cleaning or flipping over as you wish. But like I said, it's all made out of a nice metal frame. It's not made out of any cheap plastic or anything like that. So that means it can hold a lot as well. It can hold up to 40 pounds. So if you have a little kitten or a big cat like I do, you're gonna be good when it comes to the weight of this thing as well. But overall, like I said, my cat absolutely adores this thing. A big, big fan of it. It's great for looking out the window or just keeping me company when I am working at my desk. So if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great cat bed hammock, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.